Welcome to another episode of Project 3300. Today, what's going on today? Well, it's an absolutely magic day here in Brisbane. It's, early spring, and man, $1,000,000. So what a beautiful day to be working on a reno. But the not so good news is we've got to fix up this kerb rash, which is next level on these grey, it's called, I forget what it's called, but we're going to be sanding these wheels back, filling in with some bog, basically anything that doesn't sand flat, and then we're going to hit it with the same colour. Now, how do we get the same colour for a 182 Renault? It's because I took it over to a company that's Launton called Colourfast DIY. Now what they do is they put this in their machine, which matches the colour, and then they'll mix you up some bespoke colour to match. So both passenger side wheels are pretty heavily curb, so we're going to be sanding it back, you know, starting with some pretty coarse grain. What have we got here? Coarse sandpaper. I'll probably start with 120, work up to 320, wet and dry, and then use the wax and grease remover there to get everything nice and clean. Actually, before that, I'll use the scourer just to give the whole shiny surface some texture. Hit it with some primer once the auto filler, the bog, has dried, and then we're going to spray it with our custom paint, and finally we're going to hit it with this 2-pack clear, and we'll see what sort of result we get. So all up, this cost me $140 in materials. You probably save some money if you've already got, you know, sandpaper lying around, you know, some sort of Scotch Brite type thing, probably bog, primers, you know, wax cleaner, but I bought everything I need for the job. Let's see how we go. So while I've been working on my hairdresser's car, Kylie here's been clay barring her man rig. So anyway, so the bog is been drying there, so it's ready to be sanded now. Just going to sand it. Might not get around to painting today. Might do the paint tomorrow. Alright, one coat down, which I forgot to shoot, but anyway, not looking too bad. I'm just worried that I've cleaned these up in case I need to do a bit of a sand down and a paint match. It's not looking too bad. There's a 2-pack clear that's got to go on, so I reckon it's going to be pretty close to that colour. Look, not perfect, but I'm pretty happy with it compared to how it was. You can still see some on the sanded back, a bit too far, some of those deep gouges that were in these rims, but hey, look, pretty good. I've gone for the deck of cards approach, save some time with the masking up. So that's just one coat, so about to hit it again. Coat 2. Right. Time to colour match to our center plates. Yeah, it's pretty close. Pretty close by the time we get the clear on. So now, alrighty, so time for the clear coat, 2-pack. Bye.